Hello, and welcome to my video on the secret of mindset shifts for success. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of mindset shifts and how they can help you achieve your goals and lead a successful life. Definition of mindset. Before we dive into the topic, let's first define what a mindset is. A mindset is a set of beliefs and attitudes that shape the way we perceive and respond to situations. Our mindset is the lens through which we view the world and influences our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Fixed versus growth mindset. There are two types of mindsets: fixed and growth. A fixed mindset is the belief that our abilities and qualities are set in stone and cannot be changed. A growth mindset, on the other hand, is the belief that we can develop and improve our abilities through effort and perseverance. Importance of growth mindset. Having a growth mindset is essential for success because it allows us to embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. It enables us to take risks, step out of our comfort zones, and persist through difficult times. Examples of growth mindset in action. Let's take a look at some examples of growth mindset in action. Imagine you are a student who has received a poor grade on an exam. If you have a fixed mindset, you might think, "I'm not smart enough to do well in this subject." But if you have a growth mindset, you might think, "I didn't do well this time, but I can improve by studying harder and seeking help from my teacher." How to develop a growth mindset. So, how can we develop a growth mindset? Here are some strategies that can help. Embrace challenges. Rather than avoiding challenges, embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. Cultivate a passion for learning. Develop a love for learning and seek out new knowledge and experiences. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and supportive of yourself, especially during times of failure and difficulty. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surround yourself with people who encourage and support your growth. Benefits of mindset shifts. By developing a growth mindset, we can experience numerous benefits in our personal and professional lives. These benefits include increased resilience. We become more resilient in the face of challenges and setbacks. Increased resilience. We become more resilient in the face of challenges and setbacks. Greater creativity and innovation. We are more willing to take risks and explore new ideas. Improved relationships. We develop stronger relationships with others as we become more empathetic and understanding. The role of mindset in goal setting. Having the right mindset is crucial when it comes to setting and achieving goals. A growth mindset enables us to set ambitious goals and work towards them with determination and perseverance. With a growth mindset, we view failures and setbacks as opportunities for learning and growth, rather than as roadblocks to our success. Examples of successful people with growth mindset. Many successful people have attributed their achievements to their growth mindset. For example, Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was famously cut from his high school basketball team. But instead of giving up, he used the setback as motivation to work harder and improve his game. Similarly, J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections from publishers before finally finding success. But she persisted, and her growth mindset helped her overcome the challenges she faced along the way. Challenges to developing a growth mindset. While developing a growth mindset is important, it can also be challenging. We may face obstacles such as self-doubt, fear of failure, and negative self-talk that can hold us back. It's important to be aware of these challenges and work to overcome them. One strategy is to practice self-compassion and remind ourselves that setbacks and failures are a natural part of the learning process. How mindset shifts can benefit organizations. Mindset shifts can also benefit organizations. When employees have a growth mindset, they are more likely to take risks, embrace change, and innovate. This can lead to increased productivity, higher job satisfaction, and a more positive work culture. Leaders can foster a growth mindset by providing opportunities for learning and development, celebrating failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth, and modeling a growth mindset themselves. In conclusion, developing a growth mindset is crucial for achieving success in all areas of life. By embracing challenges, cultivating a passion for learning, practicing self-compassion, and surrounding ourselves with positive influences, we can shift our mindset and reach our full potential. Remember that setbacks and failures are a natural part of the learning process, and with a growth mindset, we can use them as opportunities for growth and learning. Thank you for watching this video on the secret of mindset shifts for success. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.